Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika. So in this video I am going to discuss about what are secondary metabolites and how these secondary metabolites are produced in plant. So basically secondary metabolites is an important topic under your plant tissue culture or biotechnology. So firstly, starting with its definition, what are secondary metabolites? These are also called as specialized metabolites, secondary products or natural products, are organic compound. So basic meaning of secondary metabolites are these are organic compound, or we can say specialized metabolites which are produced by bacteria, fungi or plants. And these type of secondary metabolites are not directly involved in the normal growth, development or reproduction of organism, unlike primary metabolites which are basically involved in growth and development or reproduction of organism. Absence of secondary metabolites does not result in the immediate death of the organism. So whether or secondary metabolites are present or not present, it doesn't matter, because these are not directly involved in the death of the organism. The term secondary metabolites was first coined by Albert Kozel in 1910, who got Nobel Prize laureate for medicine and physiology in 1910. Secondary metabolites aid a host in important functions such as protection, competition, species interaction, but not necessary for the survival. What does it mean? It means that secondary metabolites are not directly involved in the process of survival. It helps in hosting the important functions such as protection, competition, species interaction and many more things. Plant secondary metabolites are classified as their chemical structure and can be divided in four categories, that is terpenes, phenolics, glycosides, alkaloids. So friends, now we will study about the production of secondary metabolites, that how secondary metabolites are produced in plants. The process of in vitro culture, that is artificial media culture of cells for the large scale production of secondary metabolites, is complex and involve the following 7 aspects. So first step is selection of cell lines for high yield of secondary metabolites. So we have to select that parent variety which can yield high amount of secondary metabolites. Second point is large scale cultivation for plant cells, so that we can obtain obviously high amount of secondary metabolites, so large scale production should be must. And third point is medium composition and effect of nutrients. So in your plant media which we are going to provide to that cell lines should contain as much as nutrient which are required by the cell lines. And next, fourth step is elicitor. Elicitor means provoke or induce the production of secondary metabolite. We have to just initiate the process of secondary metabolites. Next point is effect of environmental factor. Also effect of environmental factors should contains that unfavorable environment conditions, so we have to protect our cell lines from that unfavorable conditions, so that ambience conditions should be provided to the plant. Next is biotransformation using a plant cell culture. So in biotransformation, what we can do, that plant material should be converted into products called as secondary metabolite product. Next, 7 processes secondary metabolites released and analyzed. At the end of this process, we have to release the secondary metabolite and analyze or evaluate that variety